So you are welcome to this. In this section, I'll be doing a little review of things you see on OBS and the setting. Just want to make some setting before I start. So before you start OBS, you don't just start like that, but you have to do some settings, and these settings will help you so that you won't have a lagged video, a video that is skipping, especially when you go on live streaming. And let us just go straight. So first of all, let me explain the view. In OBS, we have the title bar. The next bar you see here is the menu bar, and we have the preview scene, the program scene. Let me take this thing down. Now, at the bottom side, we have the scene. We have the scene, and the scene, you create a scene first before you create a source. Now, the essence why you see all this source, because there's already a scene being created. But if you don't create a scene, you can't create a source. So, but it comes with a default. This one called scene. It's already a default. I've already installed OBS before. That's why some element is still there. I wish I deleted everything that pertaining to OBS. You won't have seen this AGPTI comes in. I've already installed it before. So whether you uninstall it and install it again, there are already some element of folders, files inside your computer. Unless you are doing a total uninstalling, go to the drive C and delete. So let's leave that for another day. So once again, the next thing you see is your audio. As you can see, this audio tells you your input. Now, audio input capture. As you can see, it's making some BP sound, meaning you can check it and see the settings. All these ones are the one I've already placed on it before. But in the next class, we will show you how you can create all this. We just want you to understand the graphics. And this one is the scene, how you fade your scene. How many seconds do you want it? Do you want it faster than that or slower than that? On how each scene is going to come up. Now, let's go to this control. Let me tell you something about the control. The control is where you do your live streaming, your recording, your start the visual camera, your studio mode, your setting, and your exit. The studio mode is let me start from this first one. You start live streaming, you must have to do setting before you do your live streaming. Where are you live streaming from? Where are you live streaming to? You have to pass through that process. Now, the next you see is start recording. Let's assume you want to do your recording as you are doing what you are doing, you want to record what you are doing. You can start your recording. But first of all, you need to do your settings for you to know what and what to do. Start visual camera, studio mode. Studio mode is dualizing it. You do what you want to do in your preview before you send it to your program. But if you deactivate the studio mode, it just comes with only one view. That's what you are seeing. The next is setting. This is where you do your setting on everything you want to do. So let me go to setting and check what is here. So in your setting, you have the general, the stream, the output, the audio, the video, hotkey, accessories, advanced. The general is already on English, and I don't bother touching any setting here. I just leave it like that. The next one is your Facebook. If you are using Facebook, you must go to Facebook to get the get stream key. When we get to that, because you must enter the Facebook first before they will generate the stream key for you. Then the output is on single. The video bitrate is at 4000. I will show you 1 or 2 ways you need to set your bill rate. And how come this audio bill rate, I don't touch it. What else again? Any other thing remain like that, unless this output I'm going to advance before you see some other settings, but to me they are not necessary. Then the audio, I don't touch here. The video, the video, my system is at 1680, 1050. My output, I do set it lower than this one. I choose that one of the 720 because I don't want to have a graphic issues. The rest, FTPS is already on 60, it's maximum. Let me leave it like that. Hotkeys, you can add any key you want for a shortcut. Let's assume I want to start live streaming. I might just say, okay, my live streaming, let it be control live streaming, control L. Let me say I want to do live streaming. So whatever you put here, you can say, you can pick anything here to suit whatever you want. So let me leave that, but it's just for you to pick any value here, and that will be your shortcut for that. If you say I want to pick 2 here, think you see, you can pick any value here as my shortcut. It's up to you. Backspace is up to you. Then accessibility, just for you to get your different color. The next thing I like going through is this advanced. I ensure this streaming delay is at 1 second. If yours is not addicted, put it 1 second. Because I don't want the timing at which I'm working in my church here and that of the social media to be that much. I don't want a delay. So there must be a delay, but you just have to limit it yourself, because if you don't limit it, they might give you 30 seconds delay, 20 seconds delay, 12 seconds delay, of which I don't like it. So I just have to quit that delay. So this is all. When you are done with every of your setting, you click apply and you click OK, and that is all for this class. Thank you.